Hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. As always, we're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And let me tell you, we just got this 2009 Fleetwood Evolution E4 pop-up trailer in, and it is so unique. I love it so much. So obviously not your standard pop-up trailer with this extension cargo area up here. It is massive. It has tie downs, area for the batteries, propane tanks. Super unique. What it does do is adds a whole bunch of weight to this thing. So this thing's actually 7,000 pounds loaded, believe it or not. That's a pretty heavy pop-up trailer. Cargo carrying capacity 2779. So you can put over 2,000 pounds of stuff in this thing, well over 2,000 pounds. There's your little slide out. It is a manual slide out. 30 amp power service. Outdoor shower, 6-gallon water heater, water connections, all that fun stuff. Oh, what's right here? Hey, a little spray port. That's probably for your outdoor shower. All right, what do we got? 4512 dated tires. Oh, those are old. 225/75 R15s. Over here in the rear, dump station, gray and black poles. Leveling system, a manual leveling system, but still a leveling system. Pop out here in the rear, dual queen beds, has a full booth dinette, a full wet bath. It's just so unique. Now it's 2009, so you know it looks a little dated. You got a couple little marks here on the body, but overall, I mean, for an 09 pop-up trailer, it's in pretty good condition. I've seen a bunch of these, and they vary. One thing I'm not sure about it, you do have an exterior door here that you can hook and unhook. I don't know if there's any stairs for it. We just took this thing in. Sometimes they have some pop-out stairs here, but I don't see any of those, so we're just gonna step up into it. So in front, you got your full queen bed. Look at all that bench sleeping, or the bench seating right there. Breaker box, furnace, storage. Over on the other side, water heater 110s. The dinette in the slide out. God, I think that's so cool. Oh, that looks like covers. A big old wheel. This table is movable. Look at the kitchen in this thing. It literally blows my mind. So much counter space. You have a full-on 3-burner stovetop in here with a little cover and an oven. That's wild. Storage down below there. Look at the sink. You have a dual bay sink, and look how deep it is. I don't know why they put a hole in this one to open, but not on this side. So very cool. No faucet extension. I mean, you could probably put one in. Oh boy, there we go. Moving on down. Well, I guess we got some storage to look at first. Under the sink, not much. Under that, even more. And then, Dometic microwave and freezer. It's still a little chilly too. Not sure what those seals are. We haven't even touched this thing. This is literally how it came in. We just staged it for photos. Microwave down low. Everything's down low because it's a pop-up, so everything's gonna drop down into place. Oh, that's a drawer. Nice. Little step up to get into the rear queen bed. And then finally, this whole box area. I've been selling used RVs for 6 years. Never have I ever seen a fully enclosed kind of wet bath like this, which I'm surprised. I mean, this is a 2009, but look at this. So you got your toilet there. It's got the, you know, the shower set up right now, but it's where the shower is. You can actually stand up. Let me get in here. God dang, I still got over a foot of room, and I'm 5'9". So very cool, very unique. I can't get over this bathroom and then just this setup. They're one of the best kitchens I've ever seen in a pop-up trailer. So there you go. We're selling this guy for $14,995. I'll put a link to this unit down in the description box down below, including all my contact info. If you have any questions, reach out, ask me a question. Whatever I could do to help, I'm willing to do. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.